This one you're sipping, guy. Is there no food in the house?
Your mother have refused to give me food.
Did you say my mother? Is she not your mother as well?
She can never be my mother. And she refused to give me food in my father's house. It's not possible. So she's not my mother.
And are you surprised? Now, are you shocked that Mama did not give you food? Are you? See, let me tell you, you're the reason why she has refused to give you food. Yes! Look at Sister Nkechi, our cousin. Someone bought jam form for her after how many years of struggling. So she'll be in the university. And you, as far as I can remember, since I was in JSS 3, brother, you were in the university that time, oh. Look at me now, I'm all grown up. You're still in that same school. You've refused to graduate. All you know is to sit in this house, eat mama's food, steal money from papa, do nonsense, go around the village, do rubbish things, useless things. That's what you're good at. Nothing good. Useless boy.
Wait. Did you say someone bought phone from Nkechi?
Oh, you don't know?
So Nkechi will soon be going to university.
Sit down and be sipping, Gary. Don't go and look for something to do with this your useless life. Sister Nkechi is going to university. Before she knows, she don't come out. I'm telling you. Useless boy.
Did you say someone bought phone for Nkechi?
Oh, you don't know?
So Nkechi will be going to the university very soon.
She will be in the university soon to join you. After how many years of wasting time in the university? She will join you soon, just so you know. If I were you, I will stop this nonsense. All this your rubbish you're going about in this village. Talking to all the useless girls that don't have future like you. I'll go and use my life and do something better. Sit there and be sipping, Gary. Continue sipping, Gary. Useless boy, Ozo. You don't have future. All you want is to go around this village talking to all the useless girls that are as useless as you. No get sense. Go and use your life and do something better.
Are you mad?
Stop stealing my father's money.
Are you mad?
Useless boy. I'm robber. Odogu, I'm robber. Thief. Useless boy. You don't have future. All you want is to go around stealing this village. Thief. Odogu, I'm robber. Idiot. Useless boy. See, don't come close to me. Useless boy. I regret having you as my brother. Odogu, I'm robber. Thief.
I am seriously happy. I am so happy. So Nkechi, our daughter, is now in the university.
Yes, so. Hey. Yes, so. Seriously, I am very, very happy. When I saw this young man around my daughter, I warned my daughter, thinking that he's one of those village boys that spoils people's children in the village. You know, that's what all these coppers do. They will come, useless people's children in the village, and they will run away. But you know what? This one is God sent. I never knew.
Chai, my dear. He's a good man.
Hey!
For him to decide to train Nkechi in the university, it's very hard for you to see such a man these days. Very, very hard, my dear.
I am telling you. I pray for him always. I pray that God will always bless him for remembering me. Mom is in the university now. Not even just that. Nkechi told me that that boy, Austin, is planning to get married to her.
Hey!
I'll be one them.
I would like to meet him. To show him appreciation for his good deeds. He's really a Godson.
Is Godson that boy?
Yes.
I am telling you, don't worry yourself. Whenever he comes, I will call you on phone to come and see him. He always come to bring gifts, money.
Are you serious?
And Meriziko on your chat.
Hey, Denise, you have gotten an in-law. That man is Nkechi's husband, though. If any other man come to ask for a hand in marriage, don't accept, oh. That's my own, no.
Am I stupid?
Okay. Thank God you know.
Where were they when I was suffering with my daughter?
Oh.
You see, Austin and Nkechi, they are husband and wife. Kyo ED. Nogo bo my Austin. Hey, let me say. Nunkechi.
Where is that boy that don't want to be useful for himself? Where are you? Ekene, Mama. You are here, I'm calling you. Come and go and break firewood for me. I want to cook.
Mama, I will not break any firewood though. You people should just leave me alone. I am hungry and I don't have strength.
You are hungry and you don't have strength. You will have strength when the food is ready. Okwaya?
Mama, did you even forget that for the past 1 week you've not given me food in this house?
But it's your bad character that caused it now. How can I give you food when you choose to be useless to yourself? Eh? Look, I don't have any food to give to you. Until the day you wake up and prepare and go back to school. It's when I will take you as
Mama,
my
you
son.
people should leave me. You people should just leave me in this house. You and Papa. See, this is my life and I choose how to live it. I'm warning you. You people should leave me. Just let me be.
Let me tell you, the day you wake up and realize what you have done to yourself, Ekene, it will be too late for you. Let me tell you. Mama, come and break firewood for me.
Just leave me alone. No, leave me.
Ekene, come and go and break
Mama,
firewood.
Mama, oh, Mama, see what you're doing. See, Mama, leave me now.
Ekene, I'm not leaving you.
I'm not doing. I have told you I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything.
No.
Mama, see what you're doing. My neck, I won't. Oh.
You have not seen anything.
See what? Leave me alone now.
Go and break firewood for me. I want to cook.
Mama, I am not breaking any firewood. I've told you. I'm not breaking any firewood. I've told you.
Hey, go. What is the problem? What is it?
Nai, tell this boy to break firewood for me. I want to cook. It's getting late.
Mama, see here. I've told you before. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to break those firewood though.
Nai,
I won't break it. In fact, I have somewhere to go to.
Nai, have you seen him? Have you seen what I'm telling you?
So you are complaining? No, you are complaining. Yeah? When I told you, let us use the police to bundle this bag of cow dung to school. You say, Mba, he's my only son. Now you are complaining.
Nai, I've warned you, stop putting these children's blame on my head. Eh? Stop putting their behavior, their bad behavior on me. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Yes.
But you were the one who spoiled them from beginning. You spoiled them by pampering them like eggs. Yeah? You fail to realize that the yam tendril must be directed when it is still tender. When it has coupled, if you try it, it will break. And that is what you are seeing now.
Nai, I've warned you. Stop putting this kid's blame on me. Eh? Are you not the man? Can't you handle them when they misbehave? Every time you are putting that blame on me. I don't like it, oh. Stop it, oh, Nai. I don't like
it. Look at you. Eh? It is the duty of a woman to train her children. It is the duty of a woman to train her children. Eh? You spoil them. Now you are complaining. Eh? Like mother, like children.
Kizito! Ma? Come here. Why will I ask you to wash my car and you refuse? What's wrong with you?
Madam, not me refuse.
No, girl wey get house come here, come tell me say make I leave this car first, make I concentrate on the one wey you wan take come out. Now I come come leave your car and I go dey do.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? I will ask you to wash my car, you will disobey me? Really?
Madam,
do you want me to destroy your face for you?
Which kind thing be this one now? I go take disobey you. Which one be disobey inside this thing now? I tell you say person wey get house come here, give me final order, say make I leave this one, go wash your own. Wetin you want make I do? You wan kill me? What do you want make I do here now?
You're daring me, right? If I go in there and come out and this car is not washed, you will not like what I'll do to you. My friend, go and wash the car. Get out! Get out! No sense.
Hello. 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see? You see how men are going through a lot. You see. Hey! Which kind dirty life is this?
Kizito! Kizito! Kizito!
Sir?
Kizito! 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 What's the meaning of this? I've been calling you. Huh?
Okay, just imagine. See my cheek. See as it swell up. See the kind slap where that madam give me. See, just see.
Are you telling me Nkechi did that to you?
Okay, just imagine. Just imagine. See the slap where she give me now, deaf and dumb. Almost deaf and dumb. But now I almost turned deaf and dumb. Now God knows how they begin talking inside here.
It's alright. I'll give you some money to get to the hospital, or better still, buy some drugs from the pharmacy. Meanwhile, I'll talk to her about this.
I beg, better talk to her. If she mistakenly give me this kind of slap again, now my dead body when I go pick go. I beg go.
It's alright.
Which can't be this one now?
It's alright. Just come inside, so I'll give you some. Nkechi, come out here. You have no right whatsoever to slap my gate man. He's my staff, for God's sake.
Really? Why would you say that?
Because you're a stranger and you have boundaries. Alright? You have boundaries.
Well, if he repeats what he did again, I will slap him 10 times.
But I swear to God, I'm going to throw your stuffs outside. Dare me.
Nine.
What is it?
Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Give Ekene this money to sort himself out. His mates are in school, but he's in the village doing nothing. No, I'm not happy with that. Please, I'm begging you, Biko Kwan. Okay. Oh? Okay. No, please.
Hey. Ekene's mates graduated 4 years ago.
Yes.
In university. Good. And he's in the village doing nothing. How is that my business? How is it my business? Woman, tell me.
Nani, I know you are angry. I know you are angry. But I'm begging you, please forgive him. He has realized his mistakes, Biko Kwano. Yes, Nai.
He has realized his mistakes. The more reason he should continue roaming around the village, smoking and pursuing women. No problem.
But remember, he's our only son, no? And it will become a shameful thing if Ekene becomes useless. You know that without education, there's no handwork. What will he do? Please, forgive him.
Come. Ekene has realized his mistakes.
Yes, no.
No problem. Let him continue. I don't have... Listen, right now you are disturbing me. You are distracting me from what I want to do. I have something I want to... The money I have to recover. Please, let Ekene go and sort himself out.
No,
please.
Biko Kwano. Nna Etiko, when I'm begging you in the name of God. Forgive him now, please.
I've forgiven him.
You have not forgiven him.
I've forgiven him, but he should go and sort himself out. I don't have money to waste.
No, you have money.
I don't have it.
You have money.
To waste, Abi. You know what to do.
Money.
You know what to do. No problem. Just go in there. You have ATM card. Go in there, bring it out. Just plug it here. Bam, You
know, I don't have money. If I have money, I would have given him for him to go back to school. I don't have money.
Then go and look for money and give to him.
What did Papa say?
What were you expecting him to say? What are you expecting him to say? He said no to my request. So you better have patience.
Oh, but Mama...
Mama, what? What? Don't just try and disturb me. Okay. Don't disturb me. And you, it's better you look for something useful to do with your life. You get me? If it's hairdressing or tailoring, short, whatever, go and be useful to yourself. Nonsense. And hold this plate fast. Stop looking at me.
What is it?
I want to talk to you.
Now?
Yes, now.
Oh, please. I don't have time for this, your chit chat. I want to rest.
No, we have to discuss whatever I'm here for tonight.
I don't want to have no discussion with you. Alright? I don't want to talk about nothing. Besides, what if my fiancé walks in on us? I don't want this. So just leave. Now.
Your fiancé?
Yes, my fiancé.
Your fiancé? Who cares? I don't care. Listen. I missed you. I miss every part of you. I want you inside of me right now.
Stop that nonsense. What the hell do you miss? You never had me. And you will never have me. Get that into your sick skull.
Wait, Austin, what is wrong with you? You've always rejected me, ab initio.
And that's not stopping anytime soon. Get that into your head. You're dumb. Stop this nonsense.
Open the gate. Open which gate? Don't open that gate, oh. Where you carry my man the key they go?
Why are you asking me that kind of question?
Which one be that? He telling me, he say, make nobody touch this key. You cannot touch the key. You won't go drive which car. If you want to come out, madam, that is your car.
Nah, that's my man's car. I will go out with any car I choose to go out with.
I tell you, say you no fit now.
Excuse you?
You no fit. They never born you well to come out with this.
Of course, you have to touch my hand. Are you out of your mind?
I'll touch you again. You go do something. Touch me now. Touch me now. I'm quaggating.
No, you think you have guts? Take this key. Let me see.
My problem be say whether I take a key or I not take a key. You no go drive for this car. Come out for this.
I will go out with this car.
This compound belong to my man.
Can you imagine
this car where they wait? Shut up before you speak English where you not sabi the meaning. This car where they here belong to my man, and my man tell me say make nobody. Make no woman born of woman come out anywhere with him car.
If you are not careful, I'll teach you a lesson that you will never forget your entire life.
You fit?
No, dare me and touch this key.
I say,
what is wrong with you?
Come out.
Oh, look at this riffraff. Can you imagine?
You be
look at the nonsense.
And if you come in there anyhow, now go be
blame me. This are the last thing you will be. Tell me, I'll teach you a lesson. I'll look at this box. Can you imagine? You go give me that key now. Listen up, Austin. If you want to talk to me, bring down your fucking voice and stop yelling.
And you want me to bring my voice down when you had the right to take my car key without my consent or that to my fiancé? What kind of disrespect is that?
Wait, hold on. Did you just call her your fiancé?
Yes, oh, you hear him well. I am his fiancé. And you are what? You are an ex-girlfriend. You know they get sense. I think say you talk, say you go to school. I think you say, no, they carry yourself, they cross that staircase. You go past there, enter this room, they talk nonsense. Carry you to see your bonoto skirt. Come out for this room. Shameless human being.
Austin.
Shameless person.
You called me over here because of this thing? Because of this trash?
Now you be trash.
Really?
Your mama and papa for village are trash. Idiots.
You know what? I'm not caught up for this shit. This is bullshit.
What do you want to contact? Now to come out. You don't need to cut anything. Now to the come out now you need. Stupid woman. If I never want it, every time you come here, you think you have intimidation. You cannot intimidate me, oh. You not fit. If you try, I deal with you. If it isn't if it isn't only you sabi speak English, my husband there here. If you come talk nonsense, we will deal with you.
We need more of this.
Oh.
More of this. If you continue this way, I'm sure she will leave in no time.
This one?
Yes.
This one not ready to come out for this house. It be like say you do this girl love portion. Once she see you like this, she go they do like person when no get sense again.
No. I know her. She's soft-hearted. She's scared. She will leave very soon. Alright?
She never come out, but I know what thing to do. I go spiritual. I go spiritual, she run come out for this house.
What do you mean go spiritual? What are you planning to do?
That's my olive oil.
Yes?
When I take the prayer that day, when they take it, tell me, say, go bring them. I go bring water. Bring charcoal, pound them. Put red oil, woko hen in I put them into the water. I go the sprinkle them and they pour for her face. I go the shout Holy Ghost problem. Holy Ghost problem. She go pack her things. She go come out. She go inside they do juju.
Holy Ghost squabam. What kind of power is that?
Holy Ghost squabam no. The Holy Ghost squabam where they take pursue all the devil when they come church. Now what's I go take pursue one?
Oh, Holy Ghost fire. It's Holy Ghost fire.
Oh, Holy Ghost fire?
Yes, Holy Ghost
fire. My fire, oh, my kwabam, oh, everything. She go collect everything and she go come out for this house. Nonsense.
Do you think that's going to work?
Are you asking me what? Oga me, say me don't start man. No, you push me.
That's crazy. I mean,
you push me.
I like this game.
You like her?
I like it.
But Oga, you should say you know still love this woman. This one way they won't make her jealous.
Love what? No, I don't love her. That girl is mean.
Don't you worry. With everything we don't happen for this house, I did your back 200%. After this thing, I go help you find better woman when you go marry.
That's what I'm talking about.
What you do for me, say, that 3 million will you pay me? You go add another money. Make I go start business. I don't want to do house again, work again. You go do it for me?
I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Oh, honey, darling. You hear us?
Darling! Yes! Sugar!
Baby!
Papa mo!
Yes, darling, baby.
Udem!
Oh, baby.
Oh,
baby.
Papa.
Like this
Papa,
She will die of jealousy. Jealousy could kill and put this house. Oh God, don't tire. Oh. This head. Oh God, don't tire. Leave me. Leave me. Oh. I have to come out to this thing where you put for my head. I know they get to myself. Oh God.
For city. Jua. Hey, Jua. Jua. Every time. Juana.
Oh, you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Please sit.
Nah. Remember, I'm not welcome to your room. So, I'm all ears. Shoot.
Nkechi, you and I have come a long way. And I wouldn't like for us to become enemies. So you tell me, what would you like me to do so my fiancé and I can have a peaceful wedding?
Austin, you're very funny. What else can you possibly do aside getting married to me?
Oh, come on. Of course you know that's not possible.
Why? Because she came to your life?
What are you even talking about? Enki, I loved you with all my heart. With all of me. I wished for us to be husband and wife. But what did you do? You fell in love with some rich guy because you got into school? And even when I needed a job, you wanted me to be your cleaner. Who does that?
Austin, why do you keep visiting the past? All these things happened in the past. Please, do not remind me of the past.
Well, that's because the past is a reflection of the future. What do you want from me? Now tell me, why are you here? I'm asking you a question, NK. Why are you here?
Why do you ask questions you already know the answers to? Of course, the company brought me here. Listen, Austin. If this is the reason you called me over, read my lips. That girl must leave this house. No one will have you except me. And I mean every word I say. She is leaving this house.
She's not leaving. This is my house. You don't walk out on me like that. We're not done talking. Oh, God. Oh, this is bad. Really bad.
Izuna.
Ah, greetings, Eloka.
How are you doing?
Hi. Greetings.
How are you doing? Where are you going to? Are you not coming to the Mona meeting? Where are you headed this way?
I will come to the Mona's meeting, but I will come a bit late.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
There's one thing I want to confirm from you. Is it true that your brother's daughter, Nkechi, is now a graduate and she's working in a big company in the city?
That is what I heard.
Are you the one that financially saw her through her university education? Because I remember that they were begging money from villagers in those days.
I understand that a youth copper who served in this village helped her to gain admission into the university and, well, that is it. So.
Are you serious? Because I've been wondering how they were able to get the money to see her through her university education.
Izuna, what I have told you right now is the truth. So stop wondering.
Okay. You will have been the right person to train her. By now, you'll be reaping the benefit.
Thank you for your self-righteous indignation.
Thank you.
Mr. Akaifuna Miti.
Thank you very much.
Hi. Imagine how my brother's daughter has become so successful. And my son, where is he? Hey! Come on, get out from there. Stand down from there.
Oh, Papa. Papa, what is it now? Someone cannot even sleep in peace in this house. What have I done this time around? Why all these abuses?
Hey, look at you. No, look at you. Shameless, lazy drone. That is what you are. Hey! Go there, here. Your mates out there in the city making money. So much money, living large, sending money to their parents in the village, even cars. What are you doing? No, what do you do? Lie down here and sleep morning, afternoon, and night because you are useless.
Papa.
Useless!
Papa, I'm not useless. So. Papa, what is all this thing now? Why do you always use negative words against your children? Why?
Because you are useless. Negative words goes with uselessness. You are useless, therefore negative words will go to you. Nonsense. You are useless. Your sister is useless because your mother has made all of you useless. Nonsense. Lie down and sleep. Sleep!
Papa, I thought I have asked you for forgiveness. Why do you keep repeating this thing every day? Why?
Forgiveness is not in my dictionary, and if you keep standing there.
Papa, stop now! Papa, stop now!
No, come on, talk about forgiveness. So, come on, talk about forgiveness. Children, go to Maka Maria. Hey.
Nine.
What is it?
Please, I need money for foodstuff. There is no foodstuff in this house.
Foodstuff? What do you need foodstuff for? No, what do you need foodstuff for? To cook? Cook for who?
Okay.
Those useless children you spoiled?
Nani, you have started again. Eh? Stop blaming me. It is also your duty to caution these children. Eh? Whenever they are wrong, Nine.
Were you not the one who kept pampering them like eggs? As if they were born with golden spoons. Eh?
No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Stop it. Seriously, I don't like it. What is all this for?
I don't want you to like it. But I will always say the truth and shame the devil.
Which
you
truth?
Spoiled the children.
Which truth are you talking about, Nai? Am I the one that asked him to stay at home and continue smoking and refuse to go back to school? Am I the one? Eh?
Whether you like it or not, Obiageli, I will continue to blame you and I will continue to say it until that useless buffoon gets up, goes into the city and hustles like others.
No, I've said it, oh. I've said it. Stop blaming me. Stop blaming me because it's not my fault at all.
It's your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's your fault.
Please stop it.
Anyway, I don't have money for useless spending now.
You don't have money?
Everybody should fend for himself. From now on, don't have money. 1 naira for anything.
Nai, why are you like this? Eh? Why are you like this? Your character these days is unbearable. And I'm not comfortable with it, Nai.
You comfort here.
That's what you said.
I have said it.
Okay, no problem. I've heard you. Nai, this money you gave me is not enough. Eh? This money is too small. You know things are very hard these days.
That is all the money I have. No.
How do you expect me to use this 2,000 naira and cook a whole pot of soup for you and also cook rice? Eh?
Come, again. Who do you intend to cook for? No, who are you cooking for? Listen, if it is those your useless children you have in mind, forget it. Please, Obegili, go and cook for yourself and I alone. Let them fend for themselves. They are adults.
It's okay, Nai. No problem. I will cook only soup and leave the stew because you don't expect me to go to the market and steal people's item just to cook stew for you. Don't expect me to.
Hey, come back here. Come back here. Listen, by the time I ask you for my rice and stew and you don't provide them, then you will know whether it is I, Eloka, who married you or some other man.
No, I have said my own. No. I've said my own. You don't expect me to use this money and cook stew for you.
Oh.
Steal people's food. I can't.
You've said your own. Abi, go and do your own and I will do my own. Look at her. You want me to keep spending my money on those useless idiots you spoiled in this house? Nonsense. Don't worry. What kind of nonsense? Useless? Hey!
Now wetin dey happen for this house sef? Na hunger go kill person here o. Na since when this woman enter this house, na so quarrel. Na quarrel we go chop here. Even small Juliana wey dey even carry food give me here. I never, for how many days now, I never even see am cross to go buy food item. Which kind thing be this? Na hunger will kill me here. I mean, they expect me from this small money when they pay me, make I from there they feed myself. You know, fit happen. No fit happen. Okay, I even enter there, go check wetin dey happen. Which kind thing be this? I go die for hunger, say I dey do get one for person. Hunger won't kill me, say I dey do get one. Joanna. Sorry, madam. You know, so I don't want me say make I beg they call you madam. So I go they manage, they call you.
What thing carry you come here?
I beg, Madam Joanna, you get one small suggestion where I say make I give you.
What thing be that?
I won't make you gather some food stuff, no matter how small. May you just gather give me, make I go keep for that my gate man side. You know, say when I don't turn this house to house of commotion. Before when I go down fight finish every day, hunger go down almost kill me. So make I know how I go take the sort myself out for that side.
I don't understand.
You say?
This nonsense where you dey talk for you tell your oga agree. Now me you won't come tell. Make I the food stuff so where I go buy for market. Make I do it. Make I pack and give you. Make you there for your get man side. They do it. You beg keep quiet. Make I tell you something. I know you very very well. I know you Kizito. You don't even sabi cook hot water. Not to talk of food. Hey! I'm gonna give you make you go the waster.
You say that wasting. How you take be wasting? So
they don't train me like that.
You say?
Eji apata for a burger. Hey! Let me tell you, I cannot give you the food stuff where they spend money by make you go Gwadoam. Brother, I don't get time to talk this afternoon. I dey cook. And if I cook finish, I go send you own. Come give you for your post. Come out for here.
See, make I tell you. No be say I know sabi cook. In fact, even if I know sabi cook, anything where I cook now for my belly, they enter. So you go give me this thing, make I go there. Whether you purge me or whether I know sabi cook, anyhow where I take Gwabuam, now my belly they enter. So you know supposed to concern you. I beg. Today my own. No. That woman will get single bone. If she won't kill you, now you know. I don't go support you again. Because I don't see say all my support. My invent.
Na madness go. Even the I go get book it. I they talk. You don't know say I don't turn your madam. You don't know say they respect madam. You come here to talk nonsense. Don't worry, you go collect.
Oh, quiet for city. Jua. Hey, Jua. Oje kwa Jua.
Hey. Who locked this? Who locked him? Who locked this place now? I don't see nobody who could do this. If not be this is your fear. Where is that piglet? Chinyere! Ex-girlfriend in Chinyere! Calm down! Hey. Hello? What's going on here? Why are you screaming my name like a market woman? Don't scream my name again. Don't you have respect? For who? I can only get respect for a person who get respect for himself. You get respect? Graduate, no. What don't we give you? I don't give. Open this place. Make I go what? Fetch food.
What are you going to do? Fetch which food? Look, it's in my kitchen, in my husband's house, so I locked the door.
Husband's house. Open one to the talk nonsense. Wait, man. Open this place. Shame.
You think you have mouth? No, you think you're a woman. If you have power, you have guts, come to my room and collect the key.
Yeah,
if I don't break your legs.
Yeah. Can I hang how you put in one?
No, dare me cross this thing.
Can I hang how you put in one? You think I'm you think make my mass so you mama. Yeah, this woman. Okay. Come. Easy.
What did they happen for this ourselves? See us when we live peacefully since they enjoy ourselves. Play. This place now don't go turn into a house of commotion. Imagine. What did they? I don't understand. So, what did they worry about yourself? Okay, they date Joanna through. I've been at play in the place. What kind of thing be this one? Joanna, don't to a girlfriend. Don't to waiting. Don't to which level? Oh my God. See. Carry your house girl, don't to your girlfriend. Now your original girlfriend don't see her now. What a combust. Everywhere fight. Because I don't enter there now, so they can take you themselves. I just carry Tibele go to separate fight. Small thing I for just give myself there. I'm gonna say they put this food for a gap for fridge. Who fight? Who separate fight go chop because now there go end. See as the rice go. Small thing, this rice for don't block.
Mad woman, you see you. I go make sure you see this house. You go come out for here very soon. You go come out for this house, oh. You go come out. I personally, I go do one.
You go come out for this house. You go come out. Just look at her. She can't even speak proper English. Yeah. Listen. You are the one that will pack your useless belongings and your foolish self and leave this house because it's my husband's house.
Look at this pig. What you talk? He said me foolish. You call me foolish?
But that's who you are. You are a foolish girl. And you are a thief. A husband snatcher.
You should shame kill you. Shame will murder you and finish you. Look at you. You open mouth, say person knows this. You where go school, you get sense. You see for that your school, you know learn pakam. Ibu Etiko. You go to school, you finish, come out, get mind, enter man house, the finished item. Nothing there inside you. You are able empty, empty. That is what you are. And let me tell you something. You can never reap where you never sow. Nothing you, in fact, 1 naira, man, whatever. Just accept it. Just stand like this and accept that breakfast don't serve you. In fact, you don't collect. They don't serve you breakfast and you don't chop them. The breakfast is no sweet.
Say that word to me again and I will beat you, bury your body here, nobody will find you.
See this idiot.
Don't fucking try me.
They don't give me breakfast now.
Are you stupid?
Are you mad?
Hey! I don't know!
Why is Nkechi not picking my calls again? Yeah? Hey. This girl, I don't understand you. I don't understand you anymore. Yeah? Why are you not picking my calls? Who will I call now to ask her whereabouts? Yeah? Who will I call? God, this is what the girl won't do. Hey!
Joanne, I'm sorry. Alright? It's all my fault. Listen. Do not go to the kitchen anymore. Henceforth we'll be eating out until she's gone.
You better. I don't feel even wait to make she dey go. This drama don't do too much. Every time fight, talk, you don't plenty. I don't tire. Oga, I don't tire. I be the fine way to tell you since I don't tire.
Now this is why I love you so much. Yes, Joanne.
Let you talk.
I have fallen in love with you.
Chimo, mama. Okay, Biakwa. Okay, if na joke, stop him, beg. Stop him.
Austin.
What's in Austin?
Call me Austin.
No, how can I call you Austin? Am I mad? You be my Oga. Remember, Oga, in case you don't forget, make I remind you. When we start this thing, you tell me, say, make I not even try get feeling for you. Say you no go get feeling for me. So what did you come to talk?
Yes, I know I said all of that. But this past few weeks we spent together, I realized you're a special being. You're amazing. You're a beautiful soul. I can't help but let you know how I feel about you.
Okay, I beg you now. I beg you. If you want make I kneel down beg you, I go kneel down beg you. I won't go my size. What about your size here? Me and you know say, I'm not even rich people where they talk to you. I'm not there for the same level. How you want to tell me this kind of thing? Why they deceive me? Why they wash me?
I don't care about the levels. It's you I want.
I don't want to believe that one. Okay, Biko, maybe you need to sleep. When you wake up, you can understand. Me too, I won't go sleep. We could talk this thing later. Oh?
Okay, can I?
Surprised?
I'm not too surprised. Because I don't see that here. I only ask myself, who you they get problem with for this town where I don't even sack anybody? I don't get anybody where they follow quarrel or they fight anything. If not be only you. I know say only you if you do this kind of thing.
Shut your mouth before I waste you. Here, it's a document from my lawyer. You're going to sign this document that you will never have anything to do with my husband again.
Your husband? No, your husband, you. Your husband?
Austin.
My sister, don't do like this now. Me and you know, say Austin never married you. And even tell me, say my relationship don't end. Why would they knock again? Hey, why do you do like this?
One more word from you, I will forget a bullet in your head.